Come on. Oh, hi. Hi. Ooh.
It's in God's hands now. Now go to the mall and find yourself some dates.
Bye, kids. You think they're ready, Peter?
All I care about is that we have
So there'll be 75 in here?
No.
Just so we won't be one.
Nah,
Okay.
we're not terrible people, Lois. Horses are terrible people.